Japan allowed scientists to develop human-animal hybrids. Our major aim is to develop the human organs in such developed hybrid. Besides criticism, Japan allowed this research for human betterment. However, still man is not ready to accept such hybrids. No one knows in future, man will allow to develop such hybrids fully grown to lead full life. Only few decades before no one could imagine electronic photos, but photos by camera used to be kept in albums on photography papers. But today, everyone keeps electronic photos in his cell phones. Therefore, what seems today not acceptable or unethical may be acceptable and ethical tomorrow. If it will go on, a fully grown hybrid may love human man or woman. A new human generation may start a new evolution.